house tour. Right, so we've got spare bedroom full of stuff, then we've got a cupboard, and then we've got our bedroom, Marie's bathroom, and then I just wanted to do it now because the water's looking so nice in the sunshine. Look at this. And another bathroom with a bath. And here's the kitchen. There's the kitchen. And the screen just went off. That's it, I'll try and do this. That's all in one shot. There we go. We've just arrived at a parking place for Jenny Brown's Point. And we've got a picnic, we've got some food, but we've got to leave it in the car because we can't really carry it down. We're going to walk down. It looks like it's a mile or two down to Jenny Brown's Point, but yeah, this is where we've parked up. It's nice, isn't it? Yeah, there's so much to explore around here without even going to the Lake District. I was reading about this wall yesterday. It's at Jenny Brown's Point. Near the point, there exists what is left of Walduck's Wall, an attempt to reclaim an area of land between the point and Carnforth. Work began on the project in 1877 and ceased in 1879, and the stones were hidden under the bay's shifting sands for many years before re-emerging in 1975. Okay, look at that. So nice. Look at that view. Oh, and we have literally just seen a sign that says fast incoming tides and quicksand close inshore. So yeah, some of this is quicksand. Oh, and now's a good time that if you can see, maybe you can see there's some big buildings in the distance. That's at Heysham. And then coming around to the left of that is Morecambe. And this is Morecambe Bay. We were just saying it's one of those days that starts off cloudy and we both went, oh, it looks a bit miserable today. We hadn't checked the weather or anything. You know, a bit overcast, but it's really, really hot now. It's nice. And yeah, so we're down on Quicksand Beach now, God knows. So we got this, and then I'll just show you, we've been testing as we go along. This isn't quicksand. You can see little dog's paw prints in there. Yeah, not quicksand, look. It's weird actually, look at this, there's a big dip. It's quite strange, I've never seen anything quite like it on a beach before. There's a huge drop off. It'd be really interesting to see what it's like down here when the tide's in. A nearby chimney, sometimes described as a tower, is Grade 2 listed and has been the subject of archaeological and archival investigations. It is now believed that the chimney is most likely to be the remains of a short-lived copper mining and smelting project set up by Robert Gibson in the 1780s. Very interesting. We were just talking to somebody who'd heard that there's a tidal bore, and she was talking about the man who can take you across the sands. We were just saying, with these beautiful blue skies, you could be in Menorca. It's very Mediterranean, and you've got these lovely woods coming right down to the beach, which is quite a rare thing to see, isn't it, in England? It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Who lives in a house like this? Sorry about the wind. Oh god, this is going to be useless audio wise, but starting to feel a bit like Tomb Raider. We've come over to investigate whatever this is, and that's what it is, like a big concrete surface on top of steel gutters. Big pieces of steel, isn't it? A little way back everything changed and it's now really, really green. I guess like sand dunes, but it's so kind of the grass is so short it looks like a golf course. It isn't. So there's a couple of things going on here. Jenny Brown's Point, Silverdale Parish Council, and there's about as many beware things as you could possibly have. Beware: quicksand, fast tides, breaking waves, inflatables, submerged objects, sudden drop. Okay, and over here we have beach closed to cockle pickers. All cockle beds within the northwestern inshore Conservation Authority district are closed from the 1st of May to the 31st of August each year. Right, check this out before these people get here. So we have got, trying to get some like van life vibes going. Look at this. We've got a little table on the back of the car. So this is my camping chair. So we've got another pie like yesterday, but we also, oh, there's the pie, thank you. Onion bhajis and samosas. Walling's ice cream made in Lancashire. Salted caramel and vanilla. And now we've got enough change to go and get jam, marmalade from the honesty box. So I've just filmed, there's an honesty box at a farm where you can get marmalade and jam and biscuits and things. So yeah, really cool.